It can be difficult to help kids stay motivated, especially when it comes to schoolwork or other long-term goals. However, there are a few things that parents and caregivers can do to encourage kids to stay on track. Number 1. Start with why. What is the purpose of this activity? Why is it important? Helping kids understand why they are doing something can be a big motivator. Number 2. Set realistic goals. If the goal is too difficult, kids will get discouraged. Make sure the goal is something they can realistically achieve. Number 3. Use positive reinforcement. Compliment kids when they do something well or make progress towards their goal. This will help them feel good about themselves and encourage them to keep going. Number 4. Be a role model. Kids are more likely to be motivated if they see someone else doing what they are trying to do. If you are trying to get your child to eat more healthy foods, eat healthy foods yourself. Number 5. Make it fun. If an activity is fun, kids will be more likely to want to do it. Find ways to make the activities related to the goal more enjoyable. Number 6. Give them choices. Kids often feel more motivated when they feel like they have some control over the situation. Giving them choices about how to achieve their goal can help with this. Number 7. Use rewards. Offering a reward for reaching a goal can be a great motivator. Thanks for watching. Keep your kids motivated.